Now see here what are the conditions required for the sustained interference pattern here. Sustained interference pattern means there is a best, or you can say the excellent contrast between the bright and dark fringes. So now what are, these are the main conditions already we have discussed. First one, the sources should be coherent. The two sources of light which you have used, they must be coherent, then you can get proper interference pattern. And also the sources of light should be strong with the least background. There should be the least background, so that easily the pattern can be seen and the best contrast will be maintained. And two sources should be monochromatic. Whatever the two sources you have chosen here, preferably they will be the monochromatic sources of light. Amplitude should be equal. If you have taken the amplitude equal, so the dark bands will be completely dark and bright bands will be completely bright. Maximum brightness will be obtained. And also here the sources of light should be narrower. So we must prefer the narrower sources of light or the narrow sources of light. So these are the certain conditions required for getting the sustained interference pattern.